Hilton Garden Inn in Southfield, Michigan. We got impulses. Seven fours. Yep, these are definitely ThyssenKrupp impulses. Door close works after short amount of time. 988. And the button already went out. These are traction, by the way, as you can tell by how fast they are. And look at this. You got an outside floor indicator. We'll go to 3 and see if we can catch the other one. Here we go. Over here, we get Cappy. 3,500 pound capacity. Very nice. And it classic bubbles a bit. Alright, there it goes. Yep, here we go. Oh, this one's got a, oh, that's why it's got a rear door, so they probably have, that would probably explain why. We're gonna take it up. Something's on the button. Oh, they just wiped it down. Yep, we're going down. We're stopping in that too. Going down? No. Okay. Nope, now we're going up. And now we're stopping at 3 because I put that up column. There it goes. Door close does work. Just wipe down the buttons. Door close works. Nice. Rear 1. This is the rear door open button. See, and that's the service area. Oh, now we're going to exit. There goes the rear door, and here goes the front door. That will be it.